That fucker is happy. That fucker happy, yo. Let's go ahead and get this tour. Boy, the block look pretty, man. The block's so pretty out here. Let's go ahead and get this tour. Look at the house. Let's go ahead and get ready with this tour, man. This on my hide. I'm gonna play that and go seat. My hide right in there, yo. Man. Let's go ahead. But as far as you know, y'all already know, this is the laundry room. There ain't nothing important. Garage. You got one bedroom right here instantly by the door as soon as you walk in. You got a little mini TVs, you feel me? Nothing too much, I mean. Let's see how the bathroom look in this first room. Yo, y'all see that? Yo. My girl Erica did her shit, yo. Yeah, pretty decent, you feel me? You know, a little something, a little slice, a little bit of money, you feel me? What's in here? Oh no, ain't nothing in here. I was cleaning supplies. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna lie, this floor is nice as hell. But yo, check it out. Whew. I like this setup. This setup real good, you feel me? Oh, you know there's some fancy shit. What them boys got? Oh, this shit is real? No, this plastic. But yo, oh shit, it's... Hold up. What we got here? What do we have here? Moonshine? Oh shit. Barefoot. Moscato. What else we got? Amsterdam. Henny. Oh, Patron. Boy, long live Chef. I gotta drink that Patron and apple. I mean, orange juice, not apple juice, orange juice. You feel me? Long live Chef. You feel me? Yo, this bit is nice. This shit's so nice. Got the pool table, you feel me? Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I've been cutting everybody's ass earlier, you feel me? I mean, any one of y'all wanna bet me a pool? What's up? $50 a game, $100 a game. Call me out. I'll come to your city, bet you, beat you, and buy you lunch with your money. Now, let's see how this pool look outside. Oh, the grill right there. Y'all know I'm gonna be on that. I'm gonna be on the grill. Got the hot tub, little 3 feet, 5 feet. Man, this is the downstairs. Yo, no cap, like 13 people could stay in there. Also, I guess this the bathroom for the pool. Shower right here, you know, take a little cold shower. I like how they did this right here though. Let me cut the lights on. I like how they did this, like they already wrapped it, you feel me? And well, they folded everything real nice. You know, I gotta look in the mirror. Let me see who calls me. Yo. Hey, big dog, shit, you on the YouTube? Go ahead, tell YouTube what's poppin'.
What's happening, man? I see how you coming, man. You living the life I dream of, man.
Shit, you know, once it's all said and done, we gotta go to a dealership. I'ma tell them boys, hey, my brother want a Cullinan, he want a Wraith, he want a Dawn, and he want them all white. He want them all white. Okay. But shit, YouTube, I'm gonna get back into this tour later on, you feel me? Cause I ain't wanna go in everybody's room, you feel me? Matter of fact, I'll go in my room. Now I'm gonna wait till everybody come back. So YouTube, I'm gonna get back with y'all boys later. Alright. But yo. I'm gonna do this little part right here, and then I'm gonna get into the rooms. But yo, check this out, yo. Yo, breeze is crazy, yo. Y'all ever in Detroit, yo? Let me know if y'all coming to Michigan, going to Detroit. I will pick y'all up with the best hairstylists ever. But yo, check this out. Can't beat that, man. Let's go ahead and check out my room. You know, I got the Thompson industrial service bag, big heavy duty, you know. Like I said, TV, like, and really the living rooms and stuff, they got the big TVs. TV's not really that big in the room, but yeah, the big dog shit around here. Ooh. Ooh. I like this right here. This is my room. The view is fucking crazy. Close this. In fact, I want that light in here. A little mini closet, you feel me? Oh, they got blankets in there? Nah, I don't want to use that blanket. I don't know who's been using it, but you know, the crib is not broken in until you take a poop. Alright, take a poop. But yeah, man, this my shit right here. Whew, yo, my girl Erica did her shit, man. Yo, I got the little, yeah, good shit. Man, but I'm gonna wait till everybody come in. We can really explore this house, cause I don't want to go into everybody else's room. Even though like ain't nothing in there, but still they got their personal belongings in there. I just want to go through this shit. Even though I'm just doing a tour, I want them to get a tour of their own room. You feel me? Matter of fact, I can do this room right here too. Nobody in this room. If my brother Dedrick fly out, or anybody else fly out, shit, they can come get this one. I don't think this one got a bathroom in it. Nah. And yo, no cap. Let's bring back so much memories, yo. They got a pull-out bed. Yo. I'll fuck with this. And there's a bathroom right here in the middle of the hallway. Everything, yeah, you feel me? Big boy shit.
Out there with that drip. Sheesh.